Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Marathon Mondays with Mal. Let me take this off so I can actually look. Well, I tell you what, I got a haircut over the weekend. I'm not so happy with it, which gives me, it'll grow back fast, so it's not a big deal. Give me a chance to show off a new marathon hat from our boutique. There you go. Today we're looking at Coach 1332 all the way down there on the production floor. That's a new quad. That is the Grand Cayman floor plan. That is 4 slides, so a quad. And speaking of a quad slide, we have a quad slide shell. This is Coach 1341. It is in-house. We're going to go inside and take a look at the shell of a quad, and then we're going to go down and look at the almost completed 1332. So let's go check it out. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Before we go in, I always do that, right? Before we go in, let's take a look at these bays with nothing in them. It's a lot of room. Ain't no telling what you could put in there, right? It's pretty great. This shell came from Prevost, went over to Valid and had the additional slides put in. And then Dave Bash, I think, went up and picked it up. Coach 1341 is going to be a designer choice, so it is for sale. So let's go check it out. The cool thing that I wanted to be able to show you today is that all 4 slides are in. And I know it's kind of hard to put it into perspective, hoping we don't lose Wi-Fi inside here, guys, but all the slides are in, and a lot of times you don't get to see that. Well, now you're getting to see it on our show with the slides in, all 4 of them, and nothing in here. This shell just arrived, so there's not even a ceiling bracket in here. This coach is going to be in shell prep for about a week here. Then it's going to go down to the paint department and start its journey towards getting its paint job. 1341, here's a good look at the shell. Not much else to show you in here except the dimensions, which can be a little misleading because there's really nothing in here. But it's really cool to see all the slides in on a new shell. Donnie D out there from our shipping department. Donnie and I were talking this morning. He was talking about those shows where we like walk around. And those are some of my favorite shows where we just walk around and see what the people are doing. And I think we're going to try and do that right before Thanksgiving. All right. So big thanks to Donnie for giving us that idea. It's always cool to see a shell. I'd like to drive one sometime. I guess they're a lot lighter than a finished coach, right? So on the production floor, you guys, I'm gonna walk, hopefully not with my back to you. On the production floor, we got a lot of coaches being built, and I'm excited to show you 1332, but we also have 1336 right here. This is a quad. And this guy's going to be finished closer to mid-November. 1335, also a quad, done by Alan Christensen. And then this is the one that I wanted to show you. This is 1332. They're just about to lay the hardwood floors in there. And actually, I was watching our flooring department this morning. They were over here selecting the wood that they're going to put in. And come take a look at this. This is really cool. So what they were doing is they were going through each piece and inspecting it. And once they found that the piece was okay, then they wiped it down. Then they were looking at the grain and making sure that it didn't have any strong like this. Like this knot would be kind of a strong dimension or a strong element to it that might set off the flooring. So they literally pulled this one aside. It needs to be consistent throughout. Let's go inside. I want to show you. They've got the heated floor pad already down, and they've started to lay out how the floor is going to look. And you can see that right down there on the floor. The Grand Cayman floor plan is a super bath. So being a quad slide with a super bath in the back, the Grand Cayman versus the Jackson Hole. The major difference for you guys to note, two chairs on this side, 2 chairs on the curb side, that's different than the Jackson Hole floor plan. So for those of you who want the 2 recliners in the salon, the Grand Cayman Super Bath or the Grand Cayman Quad is the floor plan that has that. It also has the split galley, as you can see here. Now, what do you give up? Someone's going to ask that question. I'm going to beat you right now to the punch. What do you give up when you get the 2 recliners? You give up that appliance center. So that hidden door, appliance dream center, that's what you give up when you're taking away this dimension. That dimension is reallocated to this side or this portion of that curbside slide out, and you achieve the additional recliner over there. So what I'm walking on, Armand and I are walking on right now, is the heated pad underneath us with the mortar, and then they're going to lay the hardwoods over that. And this, of course, is heated floors throughout. And here's the super bath, the double vanities here, the large shower with that, and you guys know that wall that closes off the entire back. It's got the closet in the rear, the washer dryer behind the commode. All of that's going to be in this coach. That's cool. I like this. It's a taupe color on the walls in here. $1,332. All right. This coach is going to be done probably in the next, I'd say about a month from now. If you're looking to get into a marathon, if you're looking to trade up and get into a quad, this new floor plan that we have built is incredible. Whether it be the Grand Cayman or the Jackson Hole, that super bath in the rear has really opened up, for the pardon the pun, but it's really opened up a lot of customers to a lot more capabilities in their quad slide coach. So that's this coach. Last thing I want to do with you today is take a look over the production floor, and I'll kind of give you a lay of the land and kind of a few things we're going to be doing over the next couple of weeks. I'll be headed down to Indio in November, so for those of you who are down there, we've got a couple of, basically we're just going to do some open houses and show off some coaches and get the season kicked off like we do every November down there at Motor Coach Country Club, Outdoor Resorts Indio, and of course Desert Shores RV Resort down there in the beautiful desert. That's Coach 1337 right across from us. 1337 is a coach that we are, it's a custom X. It's going to be the last coach pretty much produced in 2020. And so that's going to be really exciting to follow through its whole life. Coach 1230, a pre-owned coach, you can see over there in that gray, silver, and electric blue. We have a delivery today, so congratulations to the new owners of 1230. And then we've got these 3, we're standing in one of them, but we've got these 3 quads coming off the floor in the next several weeks. I guess I should say the next couple of months, but you guys know what I mean. So that'll be exciting to see these quads. The Grand Cayman floor plan is fantastic, and I'm a big fan of it. You guys already know that I love that appliance dream center too. That would be the Jackson Hole floor plan. All right, everybody, be yourself and do good things. Take care of yourself, be safe, and apologies for this crazy haircut. And big thanks to our boutique for allowing me to put this hat on today. Take care, everybody.